Chocolate gourami are not often available to fish-keeping enthusiasts, and they are usually quite costly. But this shy and peaceful fish is worth any extra effort needed to successfully keep them. While most species of gourami are fairly hardy and adaptable, the chocolate gourami can be challenging to keep in the home aquarium. Chocolate gouramis originate from Indonesia, Borneo, Malaysian Peninsula, Sumatra and Singapore. The name chocolate gourami is derived from its brown mane color, which is decorated with several cream-colored stripes that will change according to the mood of the fish. Its color can vary slightly, from reddish-brown to greenish-brown. During the breeding period, the male will develop an unusually intense reddish body color and display creamy, or whitish, edging of his dorsal fin. The female has less dramatic colors, but will develop a black spot on her tail fin. Because their normal habitat is found under the dense jungle rainforest canopy, in slow-moving waters littered with fallen tree branches, where very little light is present, the fish should never be kept in a brightly lit tank with a strong current. Adding some floating plants to the tank is an effective method for diffusing the light. Low light-loving plants are recommended for the tank. The chocolate gourami rarely exceeds 5 centimeters in length. They possess a labyrinth organ that allows them to breathe atmospheric air to survive in oxygen-depleted conditions that would kill most other species. Chocolate gouramis are extremely demanding about their environment. They live in very soft, acidic water, and their long-term health will suffer in other environments. The levels of nitrogenous waste must be kept as low as possible. So combine vigorous filtration with frequent water changes, but only in small amounts. Avoid large water changes that can drastically change the chemistry of the system. Breeding chocolate gourami is very difficult, and is challenging even for an advanced aquarium fish breeder. The gourami breeding tank must have very ideal water parameters to induce these gourami fish to breed. As these gouramis are air-breathing fish, from time to time they may come to surface to breathe. So the aquarium must be covered, since the air must be of the same temperature as the water, if you want your chocolate gouramis to breed, and the fry to survive. As the breeding period commences, the chocolate gouramis will change into their breeding colors, and the males will fight each other and display in front of the females. Breeding should only be attempted in a species tank, never in a community tank. The chocolate gourami is a mouth brooder, but on rare occasions will create a bubble nest. And this species is unique, because it is the only species in which the female broods the eggs. Once the eggs are collected, the female will incubate them in her mouth for up to 2 weeks. Generally, these fish do best in pairs or schools of their own kind, but if the right tank mates are chosen, they can be kept in a community aquarium. Small, peaceful fish, such as tetras, danios, and rasboras, are satisfactory tank mates. Peaceful bottom feeders, such as loaches and small catfish, are also good tank mates. Avoid other species of gourami, as well as larger and more aggressive species. Species known for fin nipping, such as the barbs, should also be avoided.